Did you know that understanding personality styles can transform team dynamics? Imagine unlocking hidden strengths and areas for growth within your team. This insight is crucial for fostering effective teamwork and achieving collective goals, which is where What's My Team Member Style can help. What's My Team Member Style reveals the unique traits each team member brings to the table. By understanding these traits, leaders can harness individual strengths, leading to a more cohesive and productive team environment. It also helps team members collaborate more effectively by fostering awareness of their own personality styles and those of their colleagues, leading to more thoughtful communication, stronger working relationships, and a more productive team environment. Uncover your dominant personality style. To get started, take the What's My Team Member Styles simple 10-minute assessment. This tool identifies 4 key styles: direct, spirited, considerate, and systematic. Each of these 4 styles influence team interactions differently. The assessment presents you with your style strengths and trouble spots to help you recognize how you contribute to the team. It also highlights how you can adapt your approach to enhance collaboration and communication with others. Capitalize on your team's diverse styles for maximum effectiveness. Plan strategies to leverage each member's strengths, improving collaboration and achieving shared objectives. Investing in What's My Team Member Style leads to a more cohesive and successful team. By understanding and valuing each member's style, you create an environment where everyone thrives. Get started today at HRDQstore.com.